It's likely that somewhere in your CRM, you're using a field to rate records. Whether it's how likely a lead will become an opportunity, maybe it's to measure how impactful a case is for a certain customer. Or maybe it's just a rating of how much you like the customer as a salesperson. Let's talk about how you can add the star rating control to your Microsoft Dynamics environment and truly boost the UI UX of Microsoft Dynamics. I'm gonna say it. Sometimes Microsoft Dynamics can look a little stale. Now, there are some improvements that Microsoft is doing on the back end to give Dynamics a little bit of a facelift, but there's still some things that you should be doing. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to give your forms a makeover. As always, here we are back in the Power Apps Maker portal. In this example, we are going to go onto our account main form and upgrade some customer rating fields. Go ahead and navigate to your table and find your form. Be sure to be doing this in a solution. I know I might not necessarily be doing that here, but just trust me, you're going to thank yourself later if you do. Now for today's example, we are going to be upgrading some customer sentiment fields on the account that are related to how the customer is feeling about their experience with the product. Under this customer ratings tab, we have 4 custom fields. These are whole number fields that sales team members can use to rank the customer's experience on a scale of 1 to 5. Now there are a couple of ways to add the star rating control, but what I would recommend doing is clicking on components in the ribbon, and then in the left hand side opening the input section and finding the star rating control. Click and drag this onto your form wherever you would like it. Once you let go, you'll need to select the whole number field that you want the star rating control to sit on. Doing this will add the star rating directly on the field where you placed it. Let's go ahead and do this to all 4 of our fields on the form. Just so you know, you can only add this star rating to whole number fields. Something that I think should be an improvement is being able to add it to option sets, because a lot of times if you already have existing rating fields, they probably have options related to them. But that is for another day. You can still find some further customizations on these controls in the form maker. Specifically, you can change the number of stars or the different ranges you want. Your options are currently from a range of 1 to 2 up to a range of 1 to 5. Once you select a number, then it will reflect that number in the amount of stars directly on the form. You can do all this in the right properties pane, but let's go ahead and change this back to 5 so that it mirrors our other fields. Now to make our form a little cleaner, I'm going to remove the non-star rating fields. And I would say I'm liking the way this looks. Let's go ahead and save and publish. While this is publishing, I just want to say thank you for sticking this far in the video. If you're finding this video helpful or insightful, be sure to like it and check out another video on the channel. It really is one of the best things you can do to help support me and for you to learn. I make a host of content for people that are learning the Power Platform or Microsoft Dynamics, or just interested in how the Copilot capabilities can boost their business. Okay, we are done publishing. Let's take a look at an account record in Dynamics. You can see that all of our whole number fields are now star rating fields. I purposely left this field on the form even though it doesn't have the control, so that way when I click on the stars, you can actually see how it's updating the number in real time. This is pretty standard behavior, but I just wanted to call it out in case you have any business logic, workflows, custom script on these fields. It's important for you to know. This saves user clicks, and in my opinion, it is just way cleaner to work with. And I do not believe there is a way to change the color of these stars in the Power Apps Maker portal, but I'm sure you could in the XML if you wanted to get technical and really personalize this to your business. Unfortunately, it does not stop there. There are still a host of things you can do to boost the UI or the UX in your Microsoft Dynamics environment, and you're going to want to check out this playlist here as I talk about how to implement all of the different controls in the Power Apps Maker portal. Your users are going to thank you. Thank you guys for taking to end the video. My name is Griffin Lickfeld, the host of Citizen Developer, and I'm excited to connect with you guys in the next one.